That's beautiful. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm back here. I'm sorry, I just can't stop photographing this beautiful couple. I honestly can't. That's amazing. Kira, just look in the direction over there so I can see the light. Beautiful. Stay there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And then, there we go. 3, 2. It's always looking at each other right there. Perfect. So with the 7200, it's easy to take these photos of these details here. Okay, because I can get really close without being very intrusive, and then get all this, the hands, the lips, their eyes, the way they look at each other, you know. They look like they just got married. You know what I mean? 3, 2, 1, and beautiful. Do it. I know you want to do it. Do it. This is a beautiful dance, so you love it. Okay, so that was amazing. Okay, so like I said, now let's go over something very minimalist, you know. So let me take this out of the way, and then we use backlighted, hard light, with the reflections in mirrors, with the reflections also through crystals, they look like a double exposures now. Now we're gonna just play it with something more simple, right? So over here, for example, we have let's stop using the highlights and stay in the shadows, okay? In the shade, I would say. So for this one, you gotta come over here, Kiara, and then just be here, okay? And then I want you to just hold yourself here and take a deep breath, because by the way, the poses that I'm choosing is because I know that you guys are gonna look great in it. You know, like sometimes I just try to match your personality. You guys are very elegant, look very sophisticated. So I'm not afraid, you know, to go all the way fashion with you guys, because you guys, you know, dress the part really, like you know, it fits very well with you guys, you know. Like if somebody's more quirky, etc., I would don't do it, but you guys really fit well. So here, right? We're here, and then just be relaxed. The trick here with the arms always is just point the elbow in, okay? So that way the arms just disappear pretty much, you know, and you're back here like that, perfect. And then you like this, and then remember, we're not using the hard light, but still light in the environment, and the light coming from this direction. So you always will see, it's like now we're gonna play in the shades, let's say. They're not gonna be hard, it's not that easy to see, but the difference between this light and this light, it's huge. So, but that is different sensibilities here. Okay, so go ahead, stay here. Let me take this out of the way. Perfect. Awesome. So, perfect. So now we're going to keep it simple and nice. Now we're going to use a different camera for this, a different lens. It's going to be the 50. I'm going to use the 50 with a tilt shift. It's a 40, okay? So this is going to give me a different vibe. Okay, so here we go. This is a manual focus, okay? And then first of all, I'm going to expose, you know, for the shade. So now we see absolutely everything. You can move anything and it will capture anything that is happening in there. Beautiful. So for this one, we slow down, okay? Slow everything down. 3, 2, 1, and beautiful. And that's great. And then close my frame here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and here. 3, 2, 1, and beautiful. I love the way you look at her. Come here. Come. I'm just looking at Christian just being mesmerized by his wife, which is beautiful. I love it. No, everybody, hello. So he is our buddy. What's the name of your? Leonard. Yeah. So is their kid? Can you believe that? That's their kid. Because you guys look so young, really. You know what I mean? So I can't believe it. You guys are. Because of the light. Look at you. Okay. So this one is still I want to still have a minimalist approach. Okay. Come over here. Still. So I want to use the squares right now. Okay. So we have one rectangle here. You will be kind of like next rectangle. So come right here in front. Okay, even closer to me. So now we're on the shades, right? We're not playing with the hard lights anymore. Okay. That's it. So it's gonna be. So it's about. Sorry. It's about minimalism. To me, it's about abstraction. So you abstract everything to the point there is nothing. So there's nothing that is to add or to take out, right? So it feels complete. It's a sensation that you wanna, communicate of balance and peace and space, So you use a lot of negative space for that, and then you compress things in a point that. The only thing you see is the two things, and that's only you're communicating in one image. So that's why also it's very on vogue. I see the trend is very minimalism now. And I think that our culture in general is going for. Everybody wants some peace, peaceful, nice, clean, simple, but beautiful times. Beautiful. 3, 2. Okay, so stay there. Look at your husband. No, husband. Look at her. Look at there. Perfect. Okay. And I want you all again to go back a little bit and in one leg, up, out a little bit more, like that. And then again, all the way, just relax a little bit. But do it for real. Don't just fake it. I want you to just chill a little bit. There we go. That's perfect. That's actually perfect. I love it. Okay, so this lens was meant to be used for architecture. So what it does is to give you two focus points at the same time. So you can focus something really close and really far away, but still both things in focus, which is pretty weird and tricky to do. I love it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And okay, I know I'm very close. Can you walk towards me a little bit slowly? Oh my God, stay there. Hold on. Oh my God. Okay. Stay there, Kiara. Beautiful. Okay. Is it a little bit chilly? Okay, so perfect. You go behind her, right behind her. Perfect, like that. And then just cover her. So we're gonna look for perfect symmetry. And then for this one, I want you to come forward. Like that, perfect. Like that. I'm gonna go back a little bit. So I don't wanna see your face, I wanna see only your eyes. So Christian, you can be behind her. Like that, and then just eyes up, like that, perfect. It's okay. I'm doing something here. It's okay. Stay there. Okay, perfect. Stay there. Hold that. So I'm playing with simple lines. So Kiara, look at me straight forward, like 100% straight. Perfect. Perfect. And then I see a little light on your ear, Christian, so come down. And then Kiara, I want you to open your legs a little bit like this. Perfect. Like that. Awesome. Okay, now, with your hands up here, like that. Put your hands like this, perfect. And then your hands on top of her hands, like that. Come down here. Close your eyes. And then, Christian, chin down a little bit. Beautiful. Stay there. Kiara, your face is slightly this way. Perfect, beautiful. Stay there. Kiara, I want you to open your eyes. Big. Amazing, stay there. Take a deep breath and let it go through your mouth. Perfect. Oh my God. Woo! That was beautiful. Thank you, guys. We're going to do a commercial, guys, now, so I talk to you later, okay? We're going to keep working on this. It's perfect. Thank you, guys. Okay.